Students, let us solve some prove that type questions from problem set 6. Question number 5. First one, sec theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta into second bracket sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. Okay. Prove that type question, we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will carry this left hand side down. Sec theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Let us simplify this. Equal to, now we will use the formula sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. This bracket we will keep as it is. Now here again we will use the formula sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta plus tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Bracket close. Equal to 1 upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Bracket, now here simple we will do the addition. Denominator is same, so the addition is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta equal to 1 upon, now student, this cos theta into cos theta we will get cos square theta. And here we got the bracket in the form of a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So as we know that a plus b into a minus b, we will get a square minus b square. So according to that, here we will get 1 square minus sin square theta. So 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta. Follow this step. Equal to 1 upon cos square theta into, now again here we will apply first identity. As we know that here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus sin square theta, if you take sin square theta here, 1 minus sin square theta equal to, we will get cos square theta. So the value of this bracket we will put here cos square theta. So this cos square theta gets cancelled and we will get answer 1. So this way we got the answer. Okay. Now we will write the question again here. Therefore sec theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta into bracket sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. Next one, question number 5, third one. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Okay. So left hand side we will carry down sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal to, now we will use the formula here. Sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta and cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. So that's why here sec square theta equal to, we will get 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sin square theta. Now to add these two ratios like rational numbers addition, here we have to do cross multiplication. So we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Follow this. Now again in numerator we will get identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Now we will separate these fractions. 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sin square theta. So again we will apply the formula. 1 upon cos square theta is equal to sec square theta into 1 upon sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this way we got. Understood? Now write down the question again. Therefore, sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Follow? Cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Okay. So we will carry left hand side down. Cot square theta minus tan square theta equal to, student, now we will use here identity. Okay. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Here we will use identities. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. We want the value of cot square theta. Okay. So cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay. So cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 minus, now same way we will get the value of tan square theta. So which identity we will use here? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Followed? So instead of tan square theta we will write sec square theta minus 1. Now cosec square theta minus 1, open this bracket, minus sec square theta plus 1, minus into minus plus. So this minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled and we will get cosec square theta minus sec square theta. This way we got the answer. Okay. Therefore, cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Followed? Fifth one. Tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. Okay. So let's carry left hand side down. Tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Okay. Now students, from these two terms, we will take tan square theta as a common factor. So in bracket what we will get? From tan raised to 4 theta we taken tan square theta common. So here in bracket we will get tan square theta plus this tan square theta we taken common. So instead of that we will get 1. Followed? Now here again left hand side we have tan ratio and right hand side we have sec ratio. So we know the identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So that identity we will use here. We have to find out this value. See, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta and we want the value of tan square theta. So therefore, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay. So instead of this tan square theta, we will write sec square theta minus 1. And here tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Followed? Now multiply these brackets. Sec square theta into sec square theta. Sec raised to 4 theta minus 1 into sec square theta. Sec square theta. So we got the answer. Okay. Follow students. So what is given on the left hand side and what we want to prove? According to that you have to decide whether you have to use identities or you have to use formulae or relation between trigonometry ratios. Followed? So now write the answer. Therefore, tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. Followed?